Sons of the Prophet, a poem by Peter Reynosa. Sons of the Prophet, heed this poesy, be aware of this strife. Our civilizations are colliding, clashing as winds from the west meet the Holy Quran's way of life. Yet only one query arises, it overshadows all others in thought, for it is the Muslim question, and how it is to be wrought. Sons of the Prophet, glory be the great civilizations of thy peoples past, from Babylon's hanging garden and pyramids of awe and wonder, to the Tigris and Euphrates valleys, procreations vast, to the tomes of Alexandria's knowledge amassed. And when ages of darkness befell Europa, Muslims rejoiced in an era of gold with courts of splendour. Artists, poets, saviours of our classics rendered, Cairo, Baghdad, Cordoba, without any contenders. Sons of the Prophet, beware the Western imperialism of yesteryear, for the threat of hegemony and exploitation is always of near, as the ghost of Napoleon's Egyptian army longs to rise, domineer. Mandates, colonial borders, and dictators made gods. Cultures with age-old traditions raped and plundered. This be our legacy of might and blunder, yet one forever threatening new eras of lightning and thunder. Sons of the Prophet, primitive savages of bigotry and hate and fear, or beauty and unimaginable compassion and love. O Prophet, what be sincere and what be veneer? Do jihadists with steed and sword mirror the crescent moon's core? Or does the green from the Indus Valley and North African sands to the Spanish coastline be more? Sons of the Prophet, reform of the sacred waters of Nile a must. Let there be no compulsion in religion. Let there be but toleration and trust. And the river should be a most personal joy, one not of all, every, and society entire. Else Mohammadanism shall come to aspire Ottoman's destiny of doomed empire. Sons of the Prophet, fear not things from others' seashores. Seek wisdom from lands both unseen and unheard, as they too learn of your mores and legends and laws. Know the heretics of Greece and the ungodly of Rome, for Western ways are not but pleasures and trinkets of the godless alone. Sons of the Prophet, infidel invasions there shall never come, for charioteers of Mars proselytize none, as victory eludes campaigns of such might therefrom. So if not by another 100 years' war, nor if by vassal and fief, then ye be the exalter, both mother, midwife. Sons of the Prophet, once our land was also desert most dry, all thinking but handmaiden to theology, separation of state and church, impiety most high. Christendom, religion by flogging, conversion of heathen and pagans by sword, witch burnings, dogma by divine revelation, spreading faith by intolerance, knowing truth only by horde. Sons of the Prophet, a renaissance is needed, and enlightenment must be unyoked, where knowledge is not simply learning ancient texts by rote. Let the mind think on all things unknown. Allow Newton's science of inquiry to travel all roads. Hold nothing forbidden or left in the dark. Permit an age of reason yet told, and Copernican revolution to embark and unfold. Sons of the Prophet, monarchs and soldier politicians must the Bedouins depart, as the body politic falters and rises to freedom of expression and to freedom of thoughts in their hearts. Social tolerance of opposite views, and speeches without fetters must roar, to keep authoritarian traditionalism at bay, and for government by the people to soar. Daughters of the Prophet, ye must attest most of all how Khadija's betterment and deliverance shall despise forced veilings and seclusions as mere patriarchal law. Be neither a shadow nor silhouette, for authentic lives of liberation await. But bathe in prideful garments, if that be thy wish. However, scream and howl if subjugated, or ignored of Arabian societies created. Sons of the Prophet, I will not be cowardly and meek, but tell of the most unholy of wars inevitable, that martyrs in waiting do seek. For if totalitarian theocracy be without hope, then all of Islamdom shall hang by self-rope, or a cursed wasteland of conflagration of only poison, flies, and scorching breath foretells our future in a world damned to unending torment and death.